today's webinar, we will be sharing discovering tangible benefits for conformal cooling design with Innova Engineering.
And we are a engineering services firm specializing in plastics, FEA of plastics, as well as molding simulation of plastics. And we are also a Moldex 3D reseller. So by way of a quick introduction there, that's who we are and what we do. So from time to time, we like to come out and just share tips and tricks and general learnings, I think, as we move through the advancement of molding simulation tools into the tooling and production world. And one of the topics that gets a lot of attention and we get a lot of questions on and we get a lot of interest in is the topic of conformal cooling. So I thought we'd put together a few slides that we can share with you this morning to just, it's not going to be a highly detailed dive into conformal cooling design, but I think there's some very useful approaches and commentary around the use or consideration, I should say, really, of conformal cooling, as opposed to a more conventional cooling circuit design, which is traditionally handled by drilled holes and external couplers and the variety of cooling system circuits that have been in use for more than 50 years. Okay, so let me go into an outline of our agenda this morning. I want to start, of course, with an introduction, and then I want to move into a quick discussion around selection criteria. How do you know when it's appropriate to use conformal cooling as opposed to conventional circuit design? And then I think perhaps the most important topic here is using Moldex 3D to manage your cooling system design. So yes, you can guess at cooling system layouts, but there's also numerical ways, data-driven ways to assess different configurations of conventional cooling circuits as well as conformal cooling circuits. And so what I'm going to advocate this morning is that we use data to make these decisions. And in the case of a comparison between a conformal model